Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a GMC Sierra 1500. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Line-X spray-in bed liner here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.